Good day. My name is Evert Boysen. I'm 26 years old. I grew up on a smallholding in Pretoria, South Africa. 2023, I relocated to the Northern Cape, where I'm currently working on a commercial cattle farm. We breed Bonsmara and Tuli cattle. Some of my duties on the farm includes counting cattle, monitoring their health, record keeping, tipping, branding, tagging, and deworming cattle. Other duties include fixing fences, checking water levels, and repairing windmills. We also have 29 horses on the farm that I'm taking care of. I train and back them, and most of my work is being done on horseback. I do have some tractor experience. I use a Massey Ferguson tractor to maintain fire breaks around the farm. I also do have my Code 14 driver's license. I'm confident that I can make a valuable contribution to your team through my hard work, dedication, loyalty, and great attitude. Thank you for your consideration. My motto in life is never say you can't do it, rather say you haven't done it yet. Thank you. Goodbye.